Okay, guys, so welcome everyone. We have started your parts of speech and we have taken two parts of speech. Yes, so there are 8 parts of speech and we have taken yesterday noun and pronoun. So today we'll be starting with verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So let's begin, guys. So noun we have taken yesterday. Noun is a word for a person, place, thing, or idea. There are different types of nouns also. Next, pronoun. So pronoun is what? It is a word that is used instead of a or in place of a noun. Now the third part of speech is verb. Third part of speech is what? It is a verb. So what is a verb, guys? A verb expresses action or being. So whatever the action we do or is done by us from the morning. Yes, so from the morning till we go to sleep. सकाळी उठल्यापासून संध्याकाळी किंवा रात्री झोपेपर्यंत whatever the action is done by us, आपण ज्या काही क्रिया करतो आपण म्हणजे सगळं जण त्याच्याने that is verb. That is what? It is called as action word. It is called as action word. See, simple example if we take, guys, I am talking, that is the action. You are listening, that is also the action. Okay, we all are sitting. Upon we all are sitting, that is also the action, right? You all are having mobile phones in your hands, so holding mobile phone is also an action, right? So everything we do is termed as an action. So a verb, the verb in a sentence expresses action or being. So there is a main verb and sometimes one or more helping verbs. She can sing. Sing. Sing is what? It is the main verb. And can is what? It is helping verb. Okay, she can sing. I can sing. I can go. I can write. I can read in English. So like this, can, could. So these are the helping verbs. A verb must agree with its subject in number. So both are singular and both are plural. Like, I like cake, right? He likes cake. So here is I like and he likes cake. They like cake. So what is the difference, guys? Here, I singular. He is also singular. But he, she, and it. If these pronouns are there, then you have to take S or ES after the word. After the word. Please mute your sound, Manas. Please, thank you. Sure. So they is what? It is plural. Right? So there are many examples like run, help, go, read, write, etc. Getting, guys? Yeah. So meanwhile, whenever we'll get some time, I'll tell you how to make sentences and how to use them in your daily life, right? So that is our actually motto of taking this course. The fourth one you have adjective. Fourth part of speech is adjective. It is adjective. So what is an adjective, guys? An adjective is a word used to modify or describe a noun or a pronoun. So in a simple language, we have to describe a noun, right? नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणारा शब्द. नामाबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगणारा शब्द. It is a word that is used to express the noun. Okay, it is a word that is used to express the noun. So it usually answers the question of which one, what kind, or how many. How many. So examples are the young girl. See, how's girl? Girl is young. See, how is girl? Girl is young. So लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की adjective always comes before a noun. So how is girl? Girl is young. How is girl? Girl is young. That is important, guys. So letter, long letter. Okay. So long is what? Long is your adjective. Letter is there. Letter आहे. But how is the letter? Letter कसा आहे? Letter is long. मोठं letter आहे. Getting? समजलं? He is a smart boy. Actually A पाहिजे होता. He is a smart boy. So he is a boy. तो मुलगा आहे. He is a boy. But how the boy is? The boy is smart boy. The boy is smart boy. Getting? I have books. But how many books I have? I have 3 books. But I have books. But how many books I have? I have 3 books. If you see here, guys, everywhere the adjective is coming before the noun. So how many books do I have? I have 3 books. How's the boy? Boy is smart. How's the girl? Girl is
young.
Yeah. How's the letter? Letter is
Long.
Yes, very good. Letter is long. Very good, guys. So if you want to take a few examples, let's see here. We'll be taking a few more examples like cold. Like cold what? What is cold? Cold ice cream. Okay, ice cream is cold. So cold is what? Cold is your adjective. If you take hot tea. So tea is how the tea is hot. Very good. Keep your sound, please. So tea is hot. Hot is what? It is your adjective. You can take more examples also. Okay, guys. So after that, we'll be learning about adverb, kriya, visheshan. What is adverb? So adjective and adverb, people get confused within these two words. Okay. Now, adverb is what? Adverb describes or modifies a verb. तुमच्या क्रियेबद्दल विशेष माहिती हा सांगतो. जनरली ओके, क्रियेबद्दल विशेष माहिती सांगतो तुम्हाला. कधी कधी ऍडजेक्टिव्ह बद्दल पण असतं, ऍडवर्ब बद्दल सुद्धा असतं, अँड नाउन बद्दल कधीच नसतं, बट नॉट नेव्हर अ नाउन. सो अन ऍडवर्ब describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, but never a noun. लक्षात घ्या. Because noun, so आपण घेतला विचार, so you have adjective. It usually answers the questions of when, where, how, why, under what conditions, or to what degree. So generally, adverbs often end in ly. Okay, त्यांच्या शेवटी ly आपल्याला जनरली पाहायला मिळतो. एक्झाम्पल आहे बघा, gently, extremely, carefully, well, very, then, quickly. Right? एक एक्झाम्पल आपण घेऊया. सपोज एक एक्झाम्पल आहे, he runs, तो धावतो. ओके, he runs, तो धावतो. He runs, तो धावतो. That is one sentence given to you. But if I want to ask how he runs, कसा धावतो तो? जोरात धावतो, स्लो धावतो. So if I add the adverb, he runs slowly. He runs slow or slowly. Okay, or he ran slowly. So this slowly is what? It tells you the action of running, that the action is done in a slow manner. If I take he runs fast, okay. Sorry. So if I take he runs fast, so then this fast is also the adverb, and it tells you how the action is done and what action or which action it is running, right? Then I wrote paper. Okay, me paper लिहिला. But how that is important. So I wrote paper well. Me paper चांगला लिहिला. मैंने अच्छी तरह से paper लिखा. So this well is what it indicates how you wrote the paper. Paper तो सगळ्यात लिहितात. But you must write the paper well. You must write the paper well. So that is important, guys. So this well is what it is your adjective. Sorry, it is your adverb. Okay. Few more examples I'll give you. Let's take. Yes. So तुम्हाला असं शब्द कोणतरी तुम्ही ऐकलं असेल. So walk carefully. There is a or there had been a rain. Okay, पाऊस पडलेला आहे त्यामुळे काळजीपूर्वक जा. So this carefully is what? Carefully is your adverb. It indicates how to walk. कसं पण चालायचं का? नाही. You have to walk carefully. You have to walk carefully, right? अजून एक्झाम्पल समजा तुम्हाला म्हटलं असं बघायला दिलं. The young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared. So what were the words are in red color? They are the adverbs. They are the adverbs. कोणती पण ऍक्शन तुम्ही घ्या ना. Okay, जसं walk slowly, right? Eat slowly. Then write neatly. Okay, लिहिताना आपण असंच करतो. लिहिताना मलाच करतो. काही काही घाईत लिहितात. राईट नीटली. टीचर नेहमी सांगते की प्लीज इम्प्रूव्ह युअर हँड रायटिंग अँड राईट नीटली. सो टीचर वॉन्ट्स यू टू इम्प्रूव्ह युअर हँड रायटिंग अँड शी वॉन्ट्स यू टू राईट हाऊ नीटली. सो नीटली इज व्हॉट? इट इज युअर adverb, guys. It is your adverb. Getting? Okay, so next we'll be learning about preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Okay, so let's begin with preposition. So what are prepositions? So preposition ला आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो शब्दयोगी अव्यय. They are the words, or a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to form a phrase modifying another word in the sentence. Example: by, with, about, until. By the tree, with our friends, about the book, until tomorrow, to, from. These are the words they are used as a preposition, right? Okay. Then you have conjunction. So a conjunction joins words, phrases, on or clauses and indicates the relationship between the elements joined. Example: and, but, or, not, for, so, yes. So these are the conjunctions, right? So these are the coordinating conjunctions. एवढं आपल्याला डीपमध्ये जायचं नाही सध्या लगेच. So they connect grammatically equal elements, and subordinating conjunctions are they connect clauses that are not equal, like because, although, while, since. So example, for this example delay, the young girl brought me a very long letter from the teacher and then she quickly disappeared, right? So example आपण त्यामध्ये अशा प्रकारे देतो preposition and conjunction. And finally the last part of speech you have is interjection. So you know very well this exclamatory sign is with your interjection, right? So an interjection is a word used to express emotion. It is often followed by an exclamation point. So this is exclamation point. Oh no, we lost the match. Wow, what a beautiful house it is. Oops. I broke the cup. Hooray, we won the match. So these are the words they are used as interjection. Getting?